Hi guys, Debbie Pitts Palmer here, DPP, coming to you live. Happy September 1st, guys. I want to show something to you, and I just want your opinion. I want to know which one would you choose. It's so great to have options, but September the 1st, Scentsy has just announced that we have a special for people to join for just $49. So now we do have some warmers that cost $50. So which would you choose? Now we also have warmers starting at $20. They're not all at $50, but we do have some at $50. So which would you choose? Which would you choose, a $50 warmer, or would you choose a $49 business? This is a business that continues to give. Which one would you choose? So I just want your opinion, guys. I want to know, which one would you choose? Would you choose a $50 warmer, or would you choose a $49 business? Help me out here. Let's tell me which one would you choose. So I am going to show you, what comes in the $49 kit. It's pretty amazing to see all the awesome goodies that come in the $49 kit. I just so happen to have one of my team members' kit from last month, and everything that's in this kit is what's going to come in the $49 kit. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, here's the box right here. And on the inside of the box, you will see all the goodies that comes inside of this $49 kit. You go show them. This whole thing. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, pretty box. Isn't it a really nice box? It has handles on each side, so you can, pick it up like that. Take it with you wherever you go. This is a business in a box, guys. You can actually, it's portable. You can carry it with you wherever you go. So let's see what's inside the box. First of all, you're going to get this Welcome to Scentsy, and it has detailed information in here about what comes in the kit and everything. This is the mini kits, $49. Okay, let's see what else we have. I was talking about that warmer. Okay, it comes with a warmer. This particular warmer is a $30 value warmer. So you're going to get a warmer inside the kit. Then you will get these mini testers. There are 80 fragrances in here because we have 80 fragrances to choose from. So you'll have all of these you can carry with you wherever you go. We also have laundry products, so you're going to get some washer whips inside the kit. These are just little crystals that you add to your wash cycle. It adds a boost of fragrance to your laundry. I love these. Oh, I love these. I don't do laundry without these. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Here are some Showcase Brochures. Now this is perfect for you to have to hand out to people when you're out. So that comes in there. And let's see what else is in here. Of course, there's some order forms, so you need order forms. So you get a pack of order forms. Most importantly, besides the warmer, you will get a stack of catalogs. That's a whole stack of catalogs that comes inside the kit. And you will get these labels that you can make yourself. You can put your name and everything on these labels. You will also get a product training guide that comes inside the kit. Scentsy bar that comes in here. You need that for the warmer. And you also get some Showcase Brochures. This is pretty neat, and it just displays everything that we have in the fall line, in the fall winter line. And looks like this is some other handout, little brochures that you can hand out that comes inside here. And this is what I love most. This is a consultant guide. So your consultant guide, this is like your roadmap to success. It comes inside the kit. It helps to get you started. It even has contact information on the back side of it. And on the inside of it, it tells you everything you need to know with your brand new business, step by step in here. I think that's it. That's it. All that comes inside this kit, guys. So that's a whole lot of stuff for $49. Plus, you get a free website for 3 months. The website becomes available right away. As soon as you join, it becomes available like right then. And this is the perfect time to join Scentsy because a lot of people are looking for extra money approaching the holidays. And I was chatting with my mom yesterday and found out that her contract with the cable company has ended, has expired. And it's interesting because her bill went up like $30. So can you imagine if you have that same situation? Are you prepared? Are you prepared to take care of things like that come up like all of a sudden? Well, my mom is on a fixed income, so what happens whenever things like that happen, I have to pitch in. So this is perfect for me because it helps me to help her, it helps me to help my family. But again, guys, $49 just for the month of September. And let's see, I'll take that. So yes, so this offer is only good for September, guys. So make sure you do not let this month go without starting with Scentsy. This is a great way to do it at a discount. We don't know when it's going to happen again. It may not happen anytime soon. We never know when it happens, but it happens every now and then. So make sure, guys, please like and tag somebody, share my video, because there's somebody out there, I'm sure, that could benefit from this business. So thank you guys for your support. Thank you for joining me. And once again, happy September, guys. Love you. Bye.